What if we told you the company had already produced road-legal cars decades earlier? You might believe that the McLaren F1 was the first vehicle produced by the Formula One team that later became a car manufacturer. Bruce McLaren attempted to convert just three M6A race cars into the M6GT, a road-going vehicle, in the late 1960s. In fact, one of them became McLaren's own car. Although the M6GT never went into mass production, the McLaren Special Operations, MSO, division has used the original plans, molds, and photographs to bring the car back to life more than 50 years later. This year's Goodwood Festival of Speed will feature a unique example. The best way to put it is through MSO director John Sims. For the team, the M6GT has been the result of hard work and attention, serving as a living reminder of Bruce's goal to take McLaren beyond the racetrack and as a technological education. This vehicle holds a special place in our collection as a reminder of the company's early days and a source of spiritual guidance for its future. Similar to the original, the M6GT features a 5.7-liter Chevrolet small-block V8 engine producing around 370 horsepower and mated to a 5-speed manual gearbox. This MSO variant retains the engine's distinctive double-hump cylinder head, which made it famous. Every detail is meticulous, as this was an MSO project. The body was built using Bruce McLaren's original molds, and the chassis came from an actual M6A race car. The original style dome rivets and other hardware used to secure the rivets require imperial measurements, which were discontinued in the UK in the 1960s.